Okay, everybody, welcome back to Rick's Rides. Just want to follow up on the classic dash finished installation. The car's not done, but the dash is done. Let's see. I haven't programmed the speedometer yet. What you gotta do? Kind of like the gauge is done. Relocated the radio to the center. Blinking lights are on. Installing some 6.5 inch kick panels right now, but just to kind of let everybody see. Oh yeah, everybody, vintage air backlit. I've always tried to find the internet how it looks. No one had a picture of it actually lit, and that's how vintage air backlit looks. Oh yeah, I got this radio installed. It's pretty cool. It's almost coming to an end. Hopefully to finish it up today or maybe Monday. Waiting on one windshield wiper motor on backwater. But anyways, that's the classic dash. I think it's pretty legit.